Hi, I'm Xtah, and this is how to crimp your bangs. Do you have a crimping iron? Probably not, but if you have one, great. You can possibly go out and buy one. But if you don't, what I like to use is a regular curling iron. A lot of people don't think you can do it, but you sure can. All you have to do is just make one dent with it, put it into the iron, press down onto the lever, wait a moment, and then take it out. Flip, move just a little bit to make that wave and just keep going up and down all the way down the shaft of your bangs. And that's how you crimp your bangs.